Dominic Esposito is known for his guerrilla art installations. He puts his giant drug spoon sculptures in front of companies he blames for the opioid crisis. Companies like Johnson Johnson and Oxycontin maker Purdue Pharma in Stamford, Connecticut.
But now Esposito's installing his art in front of a new recovery center in Chelsea. Not to protest it, he says, but to draw attention to the crisis and its victims. News 4's Jamie Roth has more.
This is a reminder.
It's 800 pounds and 10 feet long, a larger-than-life burnt opioid spoon on display in a Chelsea neighborhood.
This is a man-made epidemic.
The spoon, a dark symbol of the opioid crisis, responsible for 40,000 deaths last year alone.
We need to really be our own voice and our own advocates and get out there and make it happen.
Boston-based artist and activist Dominic Esposito is behind the project, his own brother fighting addiction. Esposito has dropped spoons on the doorsteps of pharmaceutical companies connected to opioids, including Purdue Pharma in Stanford. Now, a new stop right here, Mountainside, Chelsea, a recovery resource center. Daniel Smith says the community grateful it's here.
We had a young lady that came by, and it was the 3-year anniversary of her brother's death. With that, she was able to really kind of share tears and joy with us to say, you know, we're happy that there's people out there doing something to help.
The Opioid Spoon Project is in motion. This past summer, 10 states, 15 cities. A couple of months ago, Esposito put the word out on social media. Would people want to honor loved ones lost by signing the spoon? He wasn't sure what kind of response he'd get. Hundreds came out and signed.
It was really tough. It was really tough meeting the families, the kids, grandparents. I mean, the stories are just heartbreaking.
Next, Esposito plans to take the spoons to college campuses. Art on the move, honoring memory and demanding change.
Let's all wake up.
In Chelsea, Jamie Roth, News 4, New York.